Hello guys, welcome to FinTop Academy YouTube channel, and today we will start to learn basic of technical analysis. But before we move ahead, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon button for future notification. You can also join our free Telegram channel for daily label and important news. So let's move. But before I introduce myself. My name is Rahul Edward. I'm full-time intraday trader, NCFM certified technical analyst, MBA in finance, and 10-year working experience of broking firms and other investment companies. So, guys, let's first we will see what we will learn in this course. Basically, this course is for beginner, so we will learn first chart study. After that we will understand what is candlestick formation and different kind of patterns, Heikin-Ashi chart and line break chart. After that we will learn moving averages, and we will also discuss some moving average strategy. And after moving average we will learn trend lines, how to draw and how to trade in trend lines. After trend lines, we will learn option chain analysis for found intraday label only, pattern formation on chart, technical indicator, Fibonacci retracement and extension, most important money management, and after that we will learn alert before market crash. So stay with us and learn. Let's move ahead. So guys, first of all we will understand what is technical analysis. So guys, technical analysis is essential for an investor or trader to visualize price movement technically and based on price movement, help to predict movement in market with higher degree of accuracy. Technical analysis is applicable to stock, indices, commodities, future, or any tradable instrument where price fluctuates due to supply and demand. Price refer to any combination of the open, high, low, or close for a given securities over a specific time frame. So technical analysis is an art which tell us that market is not a chaotic, it has an order, it has its own language, and we attempt to interpret it through technical analysis by controlling our emotions and risk. So I hope you will understand what is technical analysis and why we will use. Let's move. Second, friends, why charts? Why will why we will use charts? Because what fundamentally happens is reflected in charts. News may get old, people may forget, but charts always show how a particular stock reacted on that particular day based on that news. Chart surely can say a stock is an uptrend, downtrend, or moving sideways. Charts tell us about possible supports and resistance. Market leaves clues, and on the basis of these clues, movement in the market is predictable, which is the objective of learning in this course. And the only way to master this art is by learning technical analysis. Charts can only signal an investor his entry and exit. We will discuss how an investor or a trader can get a substantial return on his investment based on simple trading strategy using charts. So next, understand where can I get the charts. So guys, most of the trading platform have charts with various technical indicators and tools. If you want, you can use investing.com website, which is also very nice and absolutely free. So you go and check it out, investing.com, and it's a free to use, and it provide of various kind of charts and technical indicators for any time frame you will use. So you go and check. So guys, understand there are mainly three types of trends found in every market. First is a uptrend, higher top, higher bottom. Downtrend, lower top, lower bottom. Sideways consolidation within a range. Now look at these charts below. So guys, it is a Bank Nifty future daily time frame chart, and you will see I draw a trend line, direction down to upward movement of a stock. It is called uptrend. Now look, it is a second chart, Max Financial Services. It is our trend line, direction is downside, and also made price lower low and lower top. It's called downtrend. Below is no price made new high and new low. It is a sideways trend. So guys, these price movement also indicate the trend is change, and you look after breakout, price move upward. So guys, types of chart, there are many types of chart. First is line chart. Line chart based on closing price. Bar chart, open and close are marked on a vertical line. Candlestick, open, high, low and close are all marked within a candle. There are various types of candle. Most of the trader use candlestick, and it is of great use. Candlestick will be discussed thoroughly in the next chapter. Heikinai candlestick, modify form of candlestick. We will explain how it is extremely helpful for traders and how it can reduce noise in the market. Now let us see how these various charts look like. So guys, first off we will see it is a bar chart. It is a high and low. It is a opening price, and it is a closing price. Let's move. It is a line chart. and it is a candlestick chart. It's a open price, closing price. So guys, it is a candlestick chart. It is a high price and low price. Here's the open and close price. Always remember, in candlestick chart, closing price above opening price, it's a bullish candle, and closing price below the open price, it is a bearish candle, and high or low, same, both candles bullish and bearish candles. Let's move. So guys, it is a Heikin-Ashi candlestick chart. In upcoming video we will discuss and understand Heikin-Ashi charts more deeply, but before that we will look and understand. It is very helpful for trader to reduce noise on the chart. So in the upcoming video we will see and learn how to we can use and what is the calculation of this Heikin-Ashi candlestick. So stay with us and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming chapters, upcoming videos notification. So thanks for watching. If you have any query, call us, and also join Telegram, link below in description box, and any query of your related stock, commodity, you can call us. We will solve your all problems and help you to make a profit in regular way in this market. So once again, thanks for watching. We will meet again with next video. So take care and bye bye.